Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinyechiikechiweta. This is your first time seeing my face. I'm a content creator based here in Nigeria, and I do content on coaching, talk, lifestyle vlog and hair tutorials. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your channel banner or channel art in some cases. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm going to start by explaining to you guys what a channel banner is, and then after that I'm going to share my screen for you guys so that you guys will see how I made my own, and you can as well try yours at the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and when you subscribe, turn on the post notification, that bell that pops up immediately you click the subscribe button. Click. First of all, I'm going to start first by explaining to us what a channel banner or a channel art is. A channel banner is like a header that appears in every YouTube channel, and that image or that header shows us basically what that channel is all about. It displays the brand of the channel, it displays the personality, what the channel has got to offer. Everything that happens in that channel should be displayed in the channel banner. So that is what a channel banner is. So the second part of the channel banner is what a channel banner consists of. Channel banners consist of four major things. If I may, from my own aspect, it consists of four major properties. The first one is the channel name, which you all know, your channel name. And the second one is the kind of content you put out, what you do. If you're a food vlogger, if you're a lifestyle vlogger, the things you do in that channel is the second thing you need to look at. And the third thing is the days, or if you upload video in a week, you tell them new video every week. If you upload 3 times a day, you tell them upload 3 times a day. If you upload if you upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you just fill it out in your channel banner. And the fourth one, which is the one I feel should be added, is like, it's not compulsory. The first 3 I mentioned are the ones that are very compulsory, but this one I want to say that it's not really compulsory, but if you want to add it, fine and good. It's an extra bonus. This fourth one I want to talk about is like your social media handles. If you feel like adding them, that's very beautiful and very good. You can go ahead and add those social media handles just to spice it up and make it easy for people to contact you or join you on any of your social media handles. So I know from this little explanation I've explained now, you guys will understand or now have a little understanding of what a channel banner is all about. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can design yours and make it personally for you and you alone. So stay tuned as we dive into the tutorial.
Welcome back, guys. So first of all, I'm going to go to Google Chrome and tap on it to open the interface, and I'm going to type YouTube banner template. You can see it over here, YouTube banner template, and then I'll just go there and I'll go to images. Go to images to download the one that I'm going to make use of. So I'm going to be going with this particular one here. So just right click and save image, and let's open it up completely so we can have an understanding of what it looks like. So I'm going to just I'm going to right click from that area. I'll right click from here and save image. Save it in my desktop so that it will be easy for me to access. Save. So it has saved already. Then we'll go back, we'll like create another new tab, and then we'll go to Canva. It's showing canva.com here because I'm using my PC, so you can make use of your phone. If you're using an Android phone or any iOS phone, just download it from if it's for the Android version, you download it from your Google Play Store, Canva, and then for the iOS user, download it from Apple Store. So but I'm using my PC, so it's canva.com for if you want to make use of your PC. So if you get to Canva, open up this interface for us, and then we'll go over to the search space and type YouTube. Immediately I typed YouTube, suggested came up, and as you can see that YouTube channel art. That's the one I'm going to click on. So when I click on it, to bring up different type of channel arts for me, but I'm not going to use any of them. I'm going to be using my own. So I'm going to click on blank. But if you feel like using any of those templates that I'm already made, you can make use of them. You can see over here there is music YouTube channel art. There's so many other ones you can make use of if you don't feel like making your own. If you don't have the time to make yours, you can just make use of these ones here. But me, I like to do it by myself, so I can get everything in there. So this is the blank space we are going to be working with. This blank space, we're going to be working with it. So first thing first, I'm going to import that channel banner template that I downloaded. So I'll go to uploads and click on uploads. Then I'll go to upload an image or video. I'll just click on it, and I'll go to my desktop and click, and you search for the file. When you get to the desktop, you search for the file. I can see it over here. I'll just click on it and then open. So it's trying to upload to Canva. So it's almost loading. As you can see over here, it's almost loading. You can see here. Okay, it's loaded already. So first thing first, I'll just click on it so that it can appear here in this particular workspace. So I'm just going to adjust it to fill in. I'll adjust it to fill in our workspace. Just have to be mindful about this particular aspect so that it doesn't go over the board, because this stuff here is what determines how the channel banner is going to look like finally. So this is how you're going to place it on top of that blank space. If you watch here now, the place we're going to be making use of for this tutorial is just this 4 edge, like this place here that this text that my cursor is rolling on top. These are the places we are going to be playing with. So the first place here that they said desktop max, which means if you're using a desktop computer, this particular aspect is what is going to show. Is what it's going to show. And if you're using a tablet, from this area to this area will show in your banner. Then if you're using a mobile phone, if you watch, when you open my channel in your mobile phone, you just see this area, this particular area, written text and logo safe area. But if you open my channel in a computer or in a desktop, you're going to see this complete channel banner. You see my complete channel banner. So that's how we're going to start with. Then after seeing that this thing is okay, then we're going to be starting our channel banner by putting the background and the write-ups and everything. So first thing first, I'm going to insert a shape, like the first aspect of the channel banner. I'm going to insert one shape here. So let's go with this one here, this rectangle. So I'm going to just shorten it to that place where that channel banner is, where the template is. and I'll do the same as well to this one, and I'll just expand to this side and expand as well to this other side. So we are okay like this. Now you leave the channel template like that. So if you want to be sure that whatever you're doing is on point, you are still within the area of that channel banner, what you need to do is just to click on this square. The way it is now in the square is already clicked, so you just go to transparency and then reduce the transparency of the shape. You see, we're still in order, we're still working in order. So I've reduced it and I've seen that yes, what I'm doing is okay. So I'm going to continue with my design. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is putting the colors I want for my channel banner. So I'll just go for this one. Let's check shapes and see. Yes, this is the one I made use of. So I've just insert it at that same position again and resize. Just the way I did this one. So I'll just resize it a bit, and then I brought it in like this. I resized it, yes, and kept it this way. And then I made it this a kind of greenish color. Yes, I know, I can remember. Let's just work with this one. So after inserting this one, you still go back there and still reduce the transparency to see if you are on point. You can click again and reduce the transparency totally. Reduce it. See, you're still on point. So you just go back, click on this, and still increase the transparency back to the normal size so that it can work as well. So when we are done, now it's time for picture, to add your channel picture. I left this thing a bit transparent for a purpose so that I can know where to drop my pictures and where to add my channel name and the rest things. So we just add the picture here. Just insert our picture. This is just the perfect place. So I'm going to get one picture to insert here. I'll still go back to uploads again, and still I'll go with this my channel picture you guys know already. I'll just resize it and place it here. And if you watch, you'll be seeing the background. You'll be seeing the background of this particular picture. That's because I did not remove the background. But if you want to remove the background, if you don't like the background of your picture, you can just go to remove. You can just go to remove.bg. Remove.bg, and if you go back to remove.bg, you just upload your photos and remove the background. That's how it works. It's very easy to remove. Just go to remove.bg and you remove your background. So I have other pictures that the background is not there, so I'll just work with those ones. And look at the one I removed the background over here. Just work with this. So this is it. Just resize, place it. I'll make sure it's inside the box. Let's not forget that. That one is very, very important. Make sure that it's inside the box, and make sure that your picture stays inside. Okay, first of all, let me make this particular place transparent so that you get what I'm trying to say. Let's make it transparent. And make sure that your picture stays inside this dark area, like this area that is very dark. Why did I say so? I said so because if I'm going to go through your channel with a mobile phone, this is the area I will be able to see. This area this is the area I'll be able to see. So your channel, your channel photo should be in this area, this particular area that I'll be able to see since I'm using a phone. Because if you put your picture here, I'm not going to see it if I'm using a phone. So you put it somewhere around this particular area. So we are done with this one. Then it's time to put our text. I will now go over to text, and I'm going to type a heading. Yes, I'll type a heading. I'm going to type my name on caps. Just type my name and resize. Please always remember to resize. So I'm done with that one. You can change your font over here. I can change the color to black. Any other thing I want, I can change it over there. I talked about the name and I talked about the content of the channel. So the content of my channel, I'll just assume any content for it. I'll still go back to text and then I'll add a subheading. So I'll just click and then I'll add, maybe I'll just put, let me just put lifestyle vlog. I will reduce again. This one should be a bit smaller than the first one. So I'll just take it over to this place. You can now add your, I said name, the content of the channel, and then your days of upload. I just like to put new video every week. That's what I like adding to my own. New video every week. If you watch my channel banner, you will see I added my Instagram pictures and my Facebook and my YouTube pictures. If you want to add any of them, good and fine. You can go ahead and add. I just added one like so. Just added a little something just to spice it up, and that's all. There's nothing much, just to spice it up. You know the least thing to do. I added another shape. I added a particular shape. This thing you see me doing here, I'm just trying to remember. I'm trying to remember what I used for my channel banner. So please be here with me. Yes, I use this shape. I use this particular shape, and then I turned it round this way and resized. I just made it go to the extreme, and this way and this way, and then I sent it to back. If you watch the picture I inserted there has gone out already, so I have to send this particular shape now to back. So I clicked on it and then I went to position and then sent it backward, which means I want this picture here to pop up. So that is it about this particular channel banner. All we need to do now is to click on this template here. Now the template is downloaded. You click on it and then you delete it. Then you just go to download, and then I would recommend you use PGN. Then you click on download. So when you click on download, it's just going to download. Let's just click prepare your design, and voila, publish successfully.
So guys, that is all for the tutorial. I hope it benefited you, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to join the family so that you can enjoy exciting content like this one you just watched. And please stay safe in this time we find ourselves, and take your personal hygiene very serious. And don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.